I can't sleep.
Why can't you sleep?
Not even a little.
I don't understand.
Because someone is making terrible noises.
I don't snore. I never snore.
Yes, you do.
That is not snoring.
You air-y snoring.
That sounds like music. I call it a lullaby.
Every single night, the whole house can hear you.
You are welcome.
I have a video. Watch this. This is you, last Tuesday. Still think it sounds like music?
Okay, maybe a little. I can try to stop. Good night. I love you.
I love you too. Now please be quiet. Already.